Medical and bioinformatics is an exciting field and a new growing demand, especially here in West Michigan, that needs somebody to hit the ground running with skills in statistics, in computational work like database management, database design, setting up data warehouses, doing the analysis. It's an exciting field that brings in all of those shared areas of biology, life sciences, medical sciences, statistics, and computer science to give students the background to be able to go out into this growing area of, as I said earlier, the life sciences and medical sciences field here in West Michigan.
Practical experience that I gained at Grand Valley is very valuable. Upon graduation, I received 2 job offers without starting any kind of a formal job search.
The Professional Science Master's Degree program is unique in that it encompasses healthcare, statistics, and computer science. I also have had the opportunity to participate in seminars and conferences throughout the country.
An experience-based education in a hands-on, interdisciplinary environment. The Professional Science Master's Degree programs at Grand Valley State University. Preparation for the future. For more information, visit www.gvsu.edu/psm.